everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I highly appreciate it. It is Friday, time for the weekend. But first, we're coming here with a live new video for you. So if you remember yesterday, I was struggling right here at this corner. I basically just hopped in at the beginning of the day. Everything was already working here, so I just went ahead and just stuck that back together and then lined that back up and strapped it down. Ran out of the one-piece straps like these right here. Basically they just have a screw in it, so I ran out of those, which are quicker but a little tedious for the 1-inch. I don't know why, kind of sucked for the 1-inch, but anyways, I had to use the 3-piece straps, which take a lot longer, but I feel like they're a little bit better and you can bang them around more and they're not going to fall out at all. Got these pipes going. Coworker doesn't quite like the way that I did this, but I mean, it's 50-50 chance that was going to happen because I can't put it going straight because this bolt is in the way, and I can't really go to the left because then I can't strap it because of the angle right there. There's a little bend right there, so if I push it any more forward, I can't strap it at all. So that's what I'm working with. We'll see what the boss says. It might get covered, it might not, I'm not sure. So I went ahead and finished the 1-inch right there, added the 2-inch and the 1-inch right here for the gutter, which is going all the way on the other side over there across the ceiling. So I got those started. I ran out of 2-inch straps and 2-inch couplings and 2-inch everything, so I only got this one piece up and strapped, and the other pipe is just sitting up in the air right there ready to go. I got the 1-inchers done and strapped, but the spacing is kind of off, so I'm gonna have to bang them over a little bit because it's not going that straight. And this one, I think this is the one right here. It's super high, so I'll just bring the rack down on this side because it's kicking the pipes up a lot and putting a giant kink in them. So I'll just lower that down and it'll be fine. And then right here I did some matching offsets right here. Kind of can't really see them, but that's what I'm working with. Just kick them up a little bit and then throw a bigger bend over there so they're going back straight. I just stopped them right here. They're going to be going into this room right here, so I don't know how far they want to go in, so I just stopped it right here. So it's a little bit before going into the wall right here. So anyways, got that done. And then there was something else I was just going to say. Yeah, I stopped this pipe here because this pipe is turning the corner around this stairwell right here. So it's just going to turn the corner right here. Once I put the block wall in it, it'll be easier. So I'll probably just wait for the block wall to come in and then turn in and mount the box on the wall and then 90 in there. So that'll be easier. And then I was over here. 1 second. So I was over here cutting all the pieces for the next rack, which is going to go, like I said yesterday, it's going to go just straight across there and then 90 over here and then going over to the wall over to there. So just going to go with the 1-foot pieces right here, and I already got these are the ones that are going to be hanging. Those ones are ready to go, cut, and then these ones are going to be mounted directly to the ceiling. So I'll show you some more on that on, actually not Monday. I don't know when I'm going to get back to this, but we're going to be pulling wire on Monday, so that'll be exciting. And yeah, we'll show you how that goes. Like I said yesterday, we got the strings hanging right there, so we'll show you how that goes next week. All right, everyone, someone was rolling up on me, so I turned the camera off. So anyways, kind of cut that short, but anyways, like I said, I think I said this yesterday, I worked a little bit extra yesterday, so I'm leaving a little early today, which works out good because I'm heading off to another cruise with my friends or internet acquaintances from Instagram. So gonna meet up with some people and go for another cruise. So that should be pretty sweet. I think some exotic cars might be there today, at least one McLaren and maybe some Ferraris and Lambos, I'm not sure, but anyways, went on the cruise last night, which was a blast. Just had 4 or 5 friends come out. So if you guys are interested in a video about that, let me know and I can try to throw something together. I got some clips on my phone which are pretty nice, but then also I have some GoPro footage that I'd have to edit on the computer or clip together or whatnot. So let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing. Pretty sweet, some pretty crazy things went down last night. So anyways, that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Alright guys, thanks so much. Peace out.